Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the credentials and environment. This fixes many blocks. Sign in at Apple.com to verify your email and password because authentication errors often trigger the Please Contact iTunes support message. Once done, inspect the payment method. Expired card, mismatched billing address, and low funds are common causes. Update or add a different card. Make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS and has automatic time/date and stable Wi-Fi, since system clocks and connectivity affect purchase validation. Next, address security and the purchase flow, because Apple can block transactions for verification or account restrictions. You should confirm two-factor authentication and retrieve any verification code on a trusted device or phone number. Failing that, update your trust settings at Apple.com. Review family sharing, subscriptions, and outstanding balances. Any unresolved charge can prevent new purchases. Once you've adjusted settings, sign out of the App Store. Restart the device to clear cached tokens, and try the purchase again. Finally, if the message persists, escalate to Apple support with specific details. You need your Apple ID, recent transaction date, device serial number, and the exact error text. Ask support to trace the purchase, check for account holds, or manually clear pending charges. This often resolves stuck transactions. If they can't, remove the current payment method and add a different card, or create a new Apple ID for the purchase as a last resort. If things go wrong, request a case number and follow up with screenshots and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.